want to go home. This is not California. We have climate change. It's never been like this.
This is among the heaviest we've ever had. Yeah, this is bad. Right, Heather? This is bad. Yes, very bad.
We would rather have snow than this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Come to Chicago. It is a lot easier to clean up than the water.
The biggest trouble is you can't walk anywhere to get food. So I was kind of worried. And watching the news, I felt kind of sorry for people that live here and have to put up with this, because it's really an inconvenience and dangerous to life.